Hello, this is Mark from Always Sold 123. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale, guys. Video walk around for a nice small little Toyota Yaris, guys, with the 4-door automatic transmission, 2010, with only 45,000 miles, 46 or 43. Take a look, this beauty, clean records, beautiful tires, Sarasota owned. You know guys, I get the cars from Sarasota a lot, so take a look. You need a small little Toyota, we got it. Alright, so let's start from here. Headlights are beautiful, hood is nice, some rock chip right here. Front tires are nice, still good. Mirror. You got door panel, no dents, no scratches. Quarter panel, no dents or scratches. I'm gonna open this door. Take a look. Door panel, beautiful. Material is nice. Window works. AC is of course super cold. We got 47,816 with miles, guys. One key, one love. Automatic transmission. Radio. Radio works. Seats are nice. Take a look at these seats. Look at that. Carpets are original. Back. Window works. Carpets are good. Non-smoker, non-drinker. Your cargo cover. Back seats are nice. Take a look. That's John right there. Back bumper is nice. I don't see any damages. You have a small little scratch right here. Here's your bottom of the car. It is gorgeous, guys. Gorgeous. Take a look. Okay. We open this. Okay. A lot of room here. You got lock unlock, so lock bottom, unlock like this. Look at that, all the tools, everything is here. Good years in the back. The tires are 185, 60, 15. Once again, we'll go on the bottom. Beautiful bottoms. Here's your back seats from this side. This window works. You got driver door. All the buttons work. Nice steering wheel, no sounds. Power mirrors right here. The seats are good. Take a look. Just go quick under the hood and we're good to go, guys. We're good to go. Look at the vehicle here. Sounds beautiful. Like a clock, guys. Sold by Always Sold 123, guys. Friendly disclosure, this vehicle is sold as is. Yes, it's 2010 with 40,000 miles. It's sold as is. Taxes, fees, registration is not included on the sales price. We can ship you the car $1 to $1.50 a mile. It all depends on where you are. Sometimes we even deliver for free. Please call us directly, 954-914-7772. God bless. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye bye.